Do Forex brokers want you to lose? A common misconception among new Forex traders is that brokers profit from their clients' losses. While there may be a few unscrupulous brokers who engage in fraudulent activities, the majority of reputable Forex brokers actually benefit from having successful clients. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. One of the primary reasons for this is client retention. Satisfied clients are more likely to remain with a broker, generating consistent revenue. Additionally, successful clients may refer their friends and family to the broker, leading to new business. A broker with a positive reputation attracts more customers and enhances its brand. The primary source of income for most Forex brokers is the spread, which is the difference between the bid and ask price of a currency pair. Brokers earn a profit by buying currencies at the bid price and selling them to clients at the ask price. When clients are successful and trade frequently, the broker's revenue increases. Some brokers may also charge a commission on top of the spread. However, even with commissions, it's still in the broker's best interest to have successful clients. A broker with a reputation for helping clients succeed is more likely to attract and retain customers. Finally, brokers may earn revenue from financing costs. If you hold a position overnight, you may be charged an overnight financing fee. While this can be a source of income for brokers, it's generally a minor component of their overall revenue. In conclusion, the vast majority of Forex brokers have a vested interest in their clients' success. By providing a quality service, attracting new clients, and retaining existing ones, brokers can generate consistent revenue and build a successful business. While there may be instances of fraudulent activity, it's important to remember that most reputable brokers are committed to their clients' success.